Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3 8U and we are going to set custom service intervals over here. So both the oil change and the general inspection were set by previous owner or by the used car dealer to an idiotic values which are not safe for the engine, and we are going to adjust those values. So next time you reset your oil change reminder or the general inspection reminder, it's not set to 2 years and 3 years and those high mileage distances. We are going to adjust it to something a little bit safer for the engine and for the vehicle. So over here I have OBDeleven, which is already connected to the car. We are going to enter a list of all modules, and I'm going to scroll down to module 17, which is the instrument cluster, and we are going to enter adaptation. And in adaptation we are looking for a couple channels. There are 4 values that we need to adjust: the maximum distance for oil, maximum time for oil, maximum distance for general inspection, and maximum time for general inspection. So let's type in SIA, and we have 2 values. We have maximum value of distance to service for the oil change interval. It's set to 30,000, so let's change it to 15,000. Let's slide to right this value, and once it's done we can already see that this was updated over here. The distance to next oil change just decreased by so much, and we have one of the adaptation channels done. So right now let's do the maximum time to service for oil. It's set to 730 days, so let's change it to 365, so 1 year between oil changes. And we can see that it was updated over here as well. And right now we need to do the same for the general inspection. So let's look for channel called fix, and we have maximum distance until next mileage related inspection, and we can change it to 20,000 kilometers. Let's slide to right, and maximum time until next time dependent inspection, it's set to 3 years, so let's set it to 365 days, 1 year, slide to right, and I believe right now this is set properly. Okay, so in the description below this video you will find more details about this procedure. Give it a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.